Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
What if you never had to manage your WordPress website again? Imagine if AI could write your content, optimize your website for ChatGPT, answer customer questions, stop fraud, recover abandoned carts, and even manage your WordPress site while you focus on growing your business. That future isn't coming, it's already here with WPilot AI. Running a WordPress website today is overwhelming. You're juggling multiple plugins, expensive subscriptions, content creation, security, customer support, SEO, and endless updates. The truth is, you didn't start your business to spend hours managing WordPress. You started it to grow your business. That's why we created WPilot AI, the all-in-one AI WordPress bundle where AI does the work, not you. Imagine having 10 AI specialists working for your website 24/7, an AI commerce expert, a Claude-powered WordPress assistant, a GEO Optimizer for AI search, an AI image optimizer, an affiliate manager, a WhatsApp automation engine, an AI security shield, a virtual try-on experience, an uptime monitor, and a custom checkout builder. All included, all connected, all powered by AI. Instead of managing multiple plugins, instead of paying for countless subscriptions, instead of doing everything manually, WPilot AI automates the work for you. Create content in seconds, manage WordPress with simple chat commands, optimize for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and AI search. Protect your website, recover abandoned carts, increase conversions, and automate the repetitive tasks that usually consume hours every week. Whether you're a blogger, WooCommerce store owner, agency, freelancer, or digital marketer, WPilot AI helps you save time, reduce costs, and grow faster with AI. No more disconnected tools. No more complicated integrations. No more expensive monthly subscriptions. Just one intelligent AI ecosystem built to run your WordPress business. So here's your choice. Keep managing your website the old way, or let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your business. Click the button below to get WPilot AI at our special launch price. Install it today. Let AI run your WordPress and put your business on complete autopilot.